State of Nevada versus Bellisario, C-354-165 and C-362-447.
I missed the page again. Thank you.
Is that for confirmation of counsel, Your Honor?
Did you get counsel?
So we actually were on for the same thing in the other district court case last week, and they pushed it for 30 days to April 5th. He says we're having trouble with my old attorneys and getting the case file, so I don't have anything to provide to a new person to show until it's actually needs to be done. So they gave me an extra 30 days to see what's going on with that, and if I can't get a case file from them, then they're going to call me and see why not. So I need more time because I don't have anything from my past attorneys.
And I wasn't there for that hearing. I believe that is what happened. However, so worst case scenario, if we're having issues with the other defense attorneys, you can always have a prospective attorney reach out to the state, and I can or email them whatever they need.
My guess is the problem is the attorney wants to decide if they're going to be the attorney. They want to see the file before they
Sure, yeah, for sure.
accept it. All right, 30 days.
Sounds great.
That'll be April 6th at 10 a.m.
Thank you.
Now, is that as to both cases?
Yes, thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, before you leave. So it's come to the state's attention that instead of a summons, a warrant issued for this defendant in a case that occurred around the same time, the state's intention is to place that case on calendar to quash the warrant and do an OR walkthrough. But I wanted Mr. Bellisario to be aware that that's outstanding, and it's unlikely it's going to be on calendar before next week. So it currently is in front of Judge Goodman. My understanding is he probably won't keep the case though because Mr. Goodman was once an attorney, the other Mr. Goodman. So I just wanted him to be aware that that's there and that the intention is to quash that warrant so that he's not surprised when that happens. In addition, I do have his email.
Surprised when they quash it or when they arrest him on it?
When we send him the motion, that he knows it's there, and I'm going to send it to him because he doesn't have an attorney right now. So I would just CC the defendant so he knows it's going to be on calendar so he can come to court.
Is there another charge with or what's this?
Yeah, so it's for a theft that occurred around the same time frame. That victim just wasn't found out when the other theft was filed. The other theft is in front of Department 17. So it's nothing new. He hasn't violated the terms of his release. It just didn't come to us in time because there was retirement at Metro and it took a minute for them to go through that person's case.
I wasn't sure about my attorney before the cases.
So here's an outstanding warrant. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, but it wasn't supposed to be that way when Metro submitted
Well,
it.
I know, but what
it
I'm
said
asking
summons.
is there a way that you can reach out maybe to Judge Goodman and have him just quash it?
If Mr. Bellisario will give me permission to do so, I will absolutely do that.
I mean, I hate to see him get picked up on the weekend when
Yeah.
you just said he shouldn't be picked up on
No,
it.
he should not be.
And if you can get it, rather than waiting to get it on calendar to quash it.
As long as I have permission to reach out to that department, I will do so. It's ex parte if I do it by myself. So
I know.
So it's up.
Do you want her to get that warrant quashed for you?
Yeah.
Okay. And then, is there a day next week that you want me to see if I could put it on calendar so you can be arraigned? Thursday? Okay. So I'll try to have it put on for Thursday, and then you've given me permission to contact Chambers to ask that they quash that warrant. And just set it first. Okay.
What?
Thank you.
And you know time on Thursday?
It's so Goodman starts early. Yeah, I said 7:30.
7:30 on Thursday.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
back here, April 6th at 10.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.